I want to call in, man. From when me I call her phone and she not answer. That's strange. Yo, Carlene, what kind of style this? From one day me I call your phone and you nah answer, sister. What go on? I'm done tell you say me I got cut off ties with Speng and the one Marcus Wallace, you know, and put back my picnic money in our trust fund. So I can't that you're still up in your feelings, bout. So here what you do. Please, just knock me when you get this, yeah? Cause you really get my word now, you know. Alright.
Carlene, I need to know if you have formally resigned the position or not. It has been almost 1 week and you have not called and communicated with me any at all. You think the office is going to run itself? I've been trying to reach you. So let me tell you this much. You claim I can't fire you. Fair, fine. But by your own hand, you have forfeited your position because you have walked off the job as far as I am concerned with zero communication. So if you intend to keep this position, call me within the next 24 hours or you can consider it gone.
Carlene not answer her phone. What really are going on? Carlene, it's over a week now I not hear from you, you know. Yo, I know Sir Carlton running for you the other day, you know. That's why I'm getting the place over me. So you don't worry yourself, man. You don't have to isolate yourself from me. Carlene, I'm worried about you, you know. Just give me a call, man.